doctor sold us out, how much did it cost Judas to betray Jesus, and how much will it cost you to betray Nigeria? GMO foods are food that their DNA has been altered using engineering techniques. It makes them pest resistant, grow faster, and survive in a harsh weather. Let's dive in to know if GMO food are safe or not. GMO food, according to them, is not chemicalized, but it was produced in a lab. And now, according to research by professionals, it shows that prolonged consumption of GMO food can give you tumor and cancer. People are saying GMO is trying to distract us from justice for Mohbad, but then put it in light, justice for Mohbad and GMO food, which is more important? Mohbad, if he had been buried, would have turned to manure by now. But GMO food is coming to take away our future. These people are trying so hard to control what we eat, and whoever can control what you eat can control your society. If GMO food was really that good, Africa or Nigeria will be the last continent or country to ever get access to GMO food. They've tried using COVID-19, they've tried using diphtheria and several other diseases, but we couldn't be wiped out because our genes are so strong, and now they are introducing GMO food to us. Some of you are saying beans are also GMO food. My own beans that I consume have weevils in it. In fact, I have to put my beans inside a jerry can, tighten it so hard, and before I even tighten it, I have to put this small dry pepper in it to preserve it so that weevils don't get access to these beans, which is to tell you that my food is not GMO. My parents are farmers and we produce our own crop from our farm ourselves. It's so sad to see the influencers that are supposed to be talking about GMO, they are not saying anything. They are instead pushing justice for Mohbad. Yes, we all want justice for Mohbad, but then you that really want justice for Mohbad, where is the autopsy result? You're not even asking for autopsy, you're not asking for the results, you're not asking for an opportunity to conduct a new autopsy. You're just going around the bush trying to distract us from the main issue. If you're saying that GMO is trying to distract us from justice for Mohbad, I pity you. If you ever go school, go collect your school fees back. Several countries like Australia, Russia, Hungary, and France, some parts of Europe, have banned the use of GMO and importation of GMO food or seedling. So, Nigerians, this is the time to say no to GMO food. Aproko doctor already has met with Bill Gates, settled what he has to settle, he has gotten his check or whatever, and now he is trying to promote, telling you that GMO foods are safe for Nigeria. Even as someone that had tumor removed before, you're supposed to know better, educate Nigerians, and tell us the real deal. But no, you're hiding under the umbrella of connections. I pray that we open our eyes and see that this thing is about to destroy our ancestral history and destroy our future. If influencers will not talk about this, smaller influencers like us that are trying to push this, what you're supposed to do as a citizen that support this motive is to comment, share, and engage on this video. They are bringing all the videos about GMO down because they don't want us to create awareness. Remember, it is better not to eat and pie than to eat and pie, because when you don't eat and you pie a natural pie. But when you eat something that will alter your organs, that will give you cancer and tumor before you pie, you go suffer. You will spend all the money you use in hustling on earth before you actually pie. Now, what do you think about this drama?